More rate hikes by the European Central Bank and the Bank of England, raising rates by 0.5 percentage points. Further hikes are almost certain despite the improving inflation outlook. Eun-jin reports.
On Thursday, the Governing Council of the European Central Bank decided to raise the three key interest rates by another 50 basis points. This brings the interest rate on the main refinancing operations and the interest rates on the marginal lending facility and the deposit facility to 3%, 3.25%, and 2.5%, respectively. Though the Governing Council is making efforts to ensure that inflation returns to its 2% target, the latest announcement comes with grim news, as interest rates are expected to be raised by another 50 basis points at the next monetary policy meeting in March. This follows the U.S. Federal Reserve's decision on Wednesday to raise its benchmark interest rate by 0.25 percentage point. That was the 8th increase since the beginning of this cycle of hikes in March 2022. And while there's little indication of when the hikes will end, experts say that progress is being made in the battle against inflation. The Bank of England also announced an interest rate hike of 50 basis points, bringing the policy rate to a 14-year high of 4%, which was expected. But on an optimistic note, the bank's statement dropped the word forcefully from language on future hikes, in line with their forecast of a much shallower decline from what was projected back in November. Inflation in the UK has eased, coming in at 10.5% in December, down slightly from 10.7% in November, and a sharp decrease from 11.1% in October of 2022. Eun-jin, Arirang News.